Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the upper control arm on a Dodge Charger. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a comprehensive socket and wrench set, including 18mm and 21mm sizes. Don't forget a torque wrench for accurate tightening, a ball joint separator, and some penetrating oil to help loosen any stubborn bolts. To begin, safely raise your Dodge Charger using a floor jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the front wheel. Next, carefully disconnect the ABS wire and brake hose from the steering knuckle. Now, loosen the 18mm nut on the upper ball joint, but do not remove it completely. Use a ball joint separator or a hammer to free the ball joint from the knuckle, then remove the nut. Finally, remove the 2 18mm mounting bolts that attach the control arm to the vehicle's frame. With the old arm removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new upper control arm into its mounting bracket on the vehicle's frame. Loosely install the 2 mounting bolts, ensuring they are started correctly. Next, insert the new ball joint stud into the steering knuckle. Hand tighten the ball joint nut, then use your torque wrench to tighten it to 35 foot-pounds. Before final tightening, lower the vehicle so the suspension is at its normal ride height. This prevents premature bushing wear. Now, torque the 2 upper control arm frame mounting bolts to 55 foot-pounds. Reinstall your wheel, tightening the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 100 foot-pounds. Finally, it is critical to get a professional wheel alignment as soon as possible to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.